library file. Okay, so now people keep this printf only, but don't keep this hash include stio.h library. Then what will happen? Whatever the error you are getting when we kept Ajit, the same error we will get. Okay, so because the definition of printf is provided here, that's why it is printing. But if we don't use this library file, then what will happen? So two things. First thing, you need to create one function and you need to provide all the definition. Whatever the printf now doing, you need to provide the definition of printf, everything you need to provide, then use that. Then definitely it will work. That means yourself, you are writing your own C language. So you are inventing a new C language. In that case, it will work. Or else it won't work. Agree with me, guys? So because of this hash include stio.h, what is happening? We are not writing any code related to printf. We are not writing any code related to scanf. So see, if you are declaring integer, you need to give what in data type variable name you are giving, and it is helping us to work. So how? Because of this namespace. Now people tell me, so if I don't have this namespace, then for every program, what I need to do? All the definition related information, whatever we have in our printf or scanf or whatever in our C language, each and every line ourselves we need to write that. Okay, got it right? So that's why we are going with this library files. So people tell me, so is this helpful for us? Like, so this is reducing burden on the developer. Okay, so because of this library, maybe some 100 lines of 100 lines of code we are not writing there. Simply we are writing printf and we are using it. Simply we are writing the scanf, we are using it by using what? Single line of code. That's it. So if we don't have this namespace, then what we need to do? We need to write each and every code and definition of that particular one. Okay, so which is better? So people tell me which is better, 1 line or 200 lines. So if it is difficult, so, then people will tell me, sir, if it is difficult also, we will try to remember that 1 line only, sir. So it will be very difficult to remember 200 lines. So agree with me? So that is what code reusability. So this is what code reusability. So because of this 1 line, we are reusing the code for multiple classes, multiple programs in our C language or C++. Okay, so coming back to our .NET, so when I am explaining our .NET, so we'll have some predefined classes are there, and how we have some concept called namespace. So I will show in real time how they are built, and I will show the definition of it and how it is working, and I will show you and I will prove you everything there. Okay, so clear? So coming back to our point here, this one. So code reusability is achieved using header files. So I hope this point is very much clear to you guys. Okay, so Java and VB, so they are doing something. And coming back to our .NET, csharp.NET, code reusability is achieved using assemblies. Okay, again, this is also one of the important concept. What will happen, like, so when we start this whenever we start this concept in our class, then you people will do so recently our one of our 730 batch, we completed this one. So when you are doing this one particular concept, so we have two types of assemblies. One is shared assembly and one is private assembly. Shared assembly means whatever the libraries we will whenever we install the .NET or whenever we are working with .NET applications, they will automatically come. That is fine. We will leave it. Okay, this private assembly means, so you will write your own assembly. Okay, so you can use that for any project and n number of projects. So that means, so it's like, see, we have like a hash include stio.h, right? So similarly, you will create your own file. Okay, so then you will feel like a scientist that time, so you will get more interest for that. So that is one of the excellent concept. Why? Because you will feel the new world. So that we will discuss in our upcoming classes. So until that, you people needs to wait for it. Okay, you will also, I hope you will also feel the same. Now the most important thing, see, case sensitive. Yesterday I explained. Again I will explain. So see, why I am explaining all these points in detail means this is most important. If you remember all these things, or if you understand all these things, these are all the topics we are going to discuss for our C#.net. So that's why I'm just explaining each and everything in detail. So with examples, how we are using in real time, how other languages are using. That's why I'm telling that I'm taking time. So if you people are strong in basics, so anyone can handle any project, anyone can handle any any scenario. See, for example, if you are working in real time, sometimes you need to handle pressure situations. Okay, so if see, for example, you people are working in real time and suddenly your manager call you and told you like, sir, our production is not working, then what you will do? So then you will tell, sir, I went to my home, my shift is completed, I don't work, something like. Then tomorrow morning when you go to office, then you will tell, sir, thanks for coming, you can no need to come from tomorrow. They will simply tell like that. So will you tell like that? No. So when you are working in one project, that's your complete responsibility 24 by 7. So if they need any help from you at any point of time, you definitely needs to work for that project. Why? Because your company is paying salary for you to work on that particular project only, to solve that particular errors only, right? So that's it. So uh, you know so see, whenever we are working in real time, so there are so many complex scenarios will be there, so many easy scenarios will be there. So I mean, everything we need to handle. So when we can handle everything means when you are strong in basics. Okay, so now people tell me, you people are learning .NET. So now see, I'm telling like we need to be strong in basics. So how that is, so I can give some simple example. So see, for nursery students will be there, they will start learning for what, A, B, C, like this they are learning. Okay, so now once ABCD is completed, then they will teach what, apple. Okay, so yeah, apple. B for ball. B for ball only. People are not speaking. So B for ball, C for cat, like that. So they will start learning from that point, right? Okay. So so B for ball, C for cat, something like. Now people tell me. So now this nursery student don't know this alphabets. He don't know ABC, or he did that learn that properly. Okay, some intelligent students will be there. So they are like 3 years, 3.5 years, so they don't show interest in going to school like me. Okay, so those people every day, when they wake up in the morning, so they will start crying, and they will start telling like, I don't want to go to school today. From that point they will start crying anyway. Our beautiful mothers, so they will scold them, and they will give some chocolates, and they will offer some cool drinks, and they will offer so many things, and so finally they will take them to school by telling so many lies. Okay, so this is what, that is what we'll see aeroplane there, we'll see everything, right? So people see here. So now, but anyway, those people who ever go to school regularly, they will happily learn this ABCD, apple, ball, and everything. But these people, the second batch, those who are not going to school properly, then they won't learn this ABC. Now people tell me, will they able to write this apple spelling? So here ABC is basics. Okay, so after that, this is next level of basics. Next level of basics. So once everything, if they are clear with basics, then they will start speaking in English. Now tell me, so whatever the mother tongue people are having, but nowadays some third class, fourth class students, or the second class, third class students, they're speaking fluent English. So people agree with me. So they are speaking like, so even sometimes I cannot speak with them. So that much fluency we are seeing nowadays, that much quality in education outside, whatever it may be. So they are speaking, right? So that means, but now tell me, if they're not good in basics, so will they able to speak like that? So see, few days back, I have explained the oops concepts. Can someone tell me what is the syntax for declaring a class? See, class, class name. After that, what? Open brace and what? Closed brace. We will be there in our class. Tell me. So variables and what? Methods. Okay. So variables and what? Methods. Right? So clear? Do you people remember this or people forgot this? Okay. Okay. So variables and methods. So you people know who will allocate memory to variables? Who will allocate memory to variables? So write in chat. We'll see. Object, right? So object will allocate memory. So by using object only, we can call the methods. Okay, so people are very well following then my classes. Okay, thank you for that. So just follow like that. Okay, fine. Just give me a second. So see here, guys. Uh, so for example, if you people know the syntax of this one, so now just see here, just see here. By seeing that above syntax, if you know this syntax, if you know this syntax, so we can write the program. Class name, you can keep anything. So A, B, C. Okay, after that, what I told? Open brace and what? Closed brace. So who will be there in a class? First one, who? Variables, right? So that's why I'm declaring int A comma B comma C. So who else is there in the class? Methods. So simply I will create one method, void add. Okay. So now here C equal to A plus B. Now people tell me, so did we wrote something, is this a raw science, or is this some difficult language, or is this some machine learning, is this robotics related? Simple. Class name, open brace and closed brace. And after that, what? Who will be there in our class? Variables and methods. So I declared variables and I declared methods. That's it. So we just applied the basics. So if we have some very difficult concept is there in .NET, like we have interface, abstract class or something, so we don't need to worry about it. So see, some people will tell me like, sir, sir, is it fine? So can someone ping me here? How many people are from mechanical background? So just ping me in the chat. So I'm from mechanical. So just mechanical, just ping mechanical so that I will count how many. So everyone. So see, I will take special care. So only mechanical I'm asking. Only mechanical. They are our superstars. Okay. Only 5. Mechanical and civil. Okay. Civil is also. Civil. Mechanical, civil. Okay. 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 Fine. So I think some 8 to 10 people came here. So those who have raised their hand, please uh, type in chat only. Why? Because see, I cannot move there and I cannot check there, right? That's why. Okay. Okay, so if you write in chat so that I can easily see that. So now it's time for MBA. So now uh, whoever I'm studying there or studied their MBA, whoever is there in this class, ping here. No one. So people are lying here. No, only MBA I'm asking. Superstars. So you are from Gopal Krishna, you are from mechanical, you should know the answer, man. Just kidding. So no one from MBA? Seriously, I don't believe this. So every time for my .NET, at least one or two people they used to come from MBA. What else? Any other branches like automobile, chemistry, BSc chemistry, or something else? MSc, MCA is fine. There you will have computer subjects. Okay, fine. So okay, so fine. Now the biggest. Okay, fine. Okay, good, Akash. So okay, we'll come back to here. So so why superstars? I will answer your question. Okay. So see, now you have a doubt. You have the all the mechanical people are having one doubt. Like, so sir, uh, sir, are you from mechanical background? What? So you people have, you may get that doubt, but so we'll so no actually, but fine. So we'll see. So sir, so people are saying that is for EC people, or that is for CSC people. So will be able to do coding. So is that fine to work here? Okay. Okay. So now, the answer for them is, see, there is no difference between a EC person or CSC person or mechanical or anyone. So you people are all equal, and you people are starting from zero only, everyone. Okay, zero in the sense, even see, I'm from EC background. So when I learn my .NET, so I don't know anything. See, to be frank, I have a subject called oops. I got only 28 marks in my oops. But if I write that exam now, I will definitely get 100 marks. So, and the same answer you will tell after 20 days or 25 days. 100% trust me. I will repeat this question, and after completion of our oops concepts, I will ask you guys, everyone. So at least 80% or 90% whoever follow my class, people will tell like, sir, we will get 100 marks now. You will get that much confidence. Okay, so so see, when I have that exam, I have this concepts inheritance only, I have this concept of polymorphism only, I have this concept of what variables, and I have a concept called encapsulation, data abstraction only. There also we have same concepts only, but the problem, we did not study it there. To be frank, we did not study it there, that's why we don't know anything there. Okay, but maybe due to some various reasons, so we are not that much confident that time. But so see, if you follow all these classes properly, so if you follow the classes properly, just follow the basics whenever you are writing the code. Okay, so follow the classes and follow the basics. See how we wrote this program. So people tell me, so by following the basics of this one, if you are a mechanical, or if you are a civil, or if you are fifth class students also, if you understand the syntax of this one, if you know the syntax of class, then you can write this program easily. So agree with me? Yes or no? So if you are a kid also, so simple. So if you know what is the class syntax, so you people know, right? So class name, open brace, closed brace. So guys, I think, I mean, in our second demo session, I explained about OOPS concepts. There I explained this class concept. So if someone missed, you can watch that YouTube. I mean, so we have our recordings there, right, in YouTube. So you can just go there and you can check there. Okay, then you can. Okay. So, so see, so if you know this syntax, then you can happily write this one. So I will teach. So see, whenever I'm teaching something, I will try to explain syntax wise, and I will try to remember. I will try to train you guys in that way. See, I can teach this program directly. I can teach something else. You can even I can tell you guys like class is this one. Object means fan. Object means wall. Object means telephone. Object means this water bottle. No. So if someone is teaching like that, maybe you will feel like that is easy one. People will remember easily or something. But that is bullshit, and don't go for it in real time. So you don't use like that or something. That won't useful for you even for 1%. So I will suggest you guys, so whatever we are learning here, that should be in real time. So we should follow the basics. Okay, and you should stick to the syntaxes. If you remember the syntax of this one, so what is difficulty in writing this program? You can write 100 lines of code or 200 lines of code or 300 lines of code. So see, simple. If you don't know that A, B, C, D, you cannot write apple. You cannot write B for ball, C for cat. So when you are unable to write apple, bat, cat, and all, so people tell me, will you able to speak English, fluent English? So see, for example, I want to play cricket. So I want a ball. So now people tell me, you don't know what is ball, you don't know, you know only I something, that's it. But you don't know ball, apple, and all. You don't know the spellings and you don't know the basics. How you will speak English? Okay, so simple. That's why don't dump anything or something like our education institute. I don't want to mention the name. So don't do like that. Okay, so go with the basic concepts and apply the basic concepts in any program. So then 100% you will achieve the success. Trust me. Okay, that's why. Okay, so we'll go back to our session here again. Okay, so is that useful, guys? So I mean, this is a simple coding tips. So I'm not trying to waste your time or something. So so if you people don't know here how to learn, and if someone don't tell you guys, then what will happen? You will simply see, then you will read like this, .NET is not platform independent, .NET is not platform independent, Java is not platform independent, Java is not platform independent. You will do like that. And if someone asks me, ask someone what is platform independent in interview. So Java is not platform independent, C# is not platform independent. You will tell like that. He is asking what is platform independent. Again, you are telling Java is not platform independent, C# is not platform. He is asking, man, I'm asking you what is platform independent, not Java is platform independent or C# is not platform independent, right? So then you don't have any answer. Now you are failed. Okay. So then he will tell you one thing. So our HR will get back to you in a very nice way. Okay, smoothly they will tell you. And so that HR, I don't know how much busy that HR is, and he will never get back to you. Maybe they are busy or something. Okay, fine. So now the 7th point is case sensitive programming language. So simple. Case sensitive means so in our simple language, I can tell capital A not equal to small a. So I mean, actually, so we can pronounce this one as a and this one as a, but this both are not same, right? Agree for me? So because in programming language, computer will see, for capital A will have one ASCII value, for small a will have one ASCII value. So in both are different, but some languages they are I mean we can work with anything. So see, this one is case sensitive programming language, VB.NET. So small a and capital A both are same. Okay, so we can read both of them as same only. So they wrote their programming language like that. So Java is case sensitive, .NET is also case sensitive. Okay, so if we need to keep capital A, we need to keep capital A only. If we need to keep capital small a, we need to keep small a when in our .NET, because that is case sensitive. So these two guys doesn't support XML and this one supports XML. So we can return the values in XML format, JSON format. We have different types are there. So if we are working with a WCF concepts or something, there we will have we'll work with XML. So we'll see what is XML in future. In MVC concepts we'll see there. And support structure. So I explained yesterday the difference between support and what arrays. So what is array? Array means, see, for example, in single variable we can store only one value at a time, in normal scenarios. Okay, but if you want to store multiple values in a single variable, then we are calling for a concept called arrays. But what is happening there means we'll store same data type only of multiple values. So if you want multiple values of multiple data types, then we are going for a concept called structures. So Java doesn't support structures, but our C#.NET supports structures. Okay. So like I told here, pointers the same way. If we want, we can store function pointers also here in our .NET. So the concept is called delegates. Okay, we can store function output directly, a method output, so address of that particular output. So it will be very much difficult to store a function pointer. So in VB we don't support, but all other things will support. Okay, so this is what the differences between C++, VB, Java and C#. Any questions? So I don't repeat this one again. So if anyone needed, you people just go through this book. So definitely that will help you guys. So if you want, anyone have any questions again? So this is one of the most important concept. That's why I have taken this much time. So you people needs to so delegates, we have separate concept. So see, delegate means if you want to store the address of some function value, then we will go for delegate concept. So we have single cached and multi-cached delegates are there. So that I will explain in in upcoming sessions. So now it's very it's very early time to no, to discuss about delegate, but anyway, we have separate concept. Okay, Ankit. Good. So fine. So this is what our thing. So next topic is framework. So yesterday we have I have explained, right, framework. So we'll explain one more time. So framework is a combination of what, language and technology, right? Technology or language. So now people tell me what we will implement by using language. So I will check. So some people ping me in chat. We'll check the. I will test just your knowledge. Yesterday I explained what we will implement by using language. Excellent, Maruti. So, okay. Similarly, some other person apart from Maruti, what we will, yes, Sneha, good. Very good, very good. Very good. So now what we will implement by using technology? Very good, very good. UI only. So everyone, see, I can see 85 people here. Only 5-6 people are following. So see, now tell me, those 5 only want job. If everyone want job, everyone should type here. Then everyone will get good job with good packages. Okay. So whoever want a good job with good packages, you should keep here. You should chart here. Okay. So all want a job or not? So people tell me, you want the job or not? So that's what I'm telling you. If you want a good job with good package, so you should follow me and you should answer me. So your our blessings will be there. So just kidding. So everyone, okay. So you people want the job, but people needs to answer. Fine. So it's a combination of what? Language and technology. So as yesterday I have told, right, by using language, sure, thank you, Swaras. So don't make me a yes person. So I'm also like you only. Okay. Fine. So see, so it's a combination of what? Language and technology, right? So language, by using language, we will implement what? Logic. Okay, so you people know yesterday I have explained in detail. So by using technology, we will implement what? User interface. So the technology example is here. We'll learn what ASP.NET. For coding, we will use C# and VB. So now people tell me, without the language and technology combination, can we work with a framework? If we don't have UI, we cannot work with a framework. So if we don't have logic, we cannot work with a framework. So framework should be what? Combination of what? Language and technology. So as we discussed yesterday, we have different versions of .NET framework: 1.0, 1.1, 2.0, 3.0, 3.5, finally 4.8. Currently it is running, and it's 2022. Okay, so clear, right? So we have 64 programming languages available in our .NET, and 11 languages are introduced by Microsoft. Okay, so clear. That is what and this is what platform. So see, platform. What is platform? Platform is a combination of CPU and operating system. Okay, .NET is a platform independent. And what is platform independent? Platform independent language means we can run our .NET application in any operating system at any CPU. That is what our platform independent. Okay, so clear, guys? Any questions? Okay, so tomorrow I will explain. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. It's holiday. So you will again ask me like, sir, you don't give rest to us on Sunday also. People will ask me like that. Okay, so tomorrow is holiday. Fine. Anyway. Okay, so on Monday class, I will explain about the compilation. How the .NET compilation will happen. Everything I will explain. And after that we have CLR. That is one of the biggest concept and most important concept. So that we will cover in our next class. Okay, fine. So now fine, so I'm just closing this one. So now, guys, anyone have any questions? Anyone have any questions? So our admin Hariprasad sir is saying like registration process has been sent to all by mail. So if anyone did not got that mail, please reach out to that WhatsApp number. Okay. Okay. So Soras, I also need some rest, man. Okay. So okay. Fine, thank you. Thank you for that. So we'll have a very good session in .NET. So I hope you will definitely, that will help you for grooming your career and personally and everything. I hope I will also help you in that. Any questions? Any other? Okay. So now I hope you people are very much clear in terms of uh, so yes, Swaras, if we require a doubt session, we can keep that. So Siva, Nagendra, so definitely I will share the book. Maybe see some joining formalities are there, right? So once if everything is fine, then I will share my book. So even I need to stick with Naresh IT policies and all. So once everything is done, I will definitely share. Not only you, I will share with everyone. Okay, so someone pasted here the demo sessions. So just go through the demo sessions. Okay, okay, fine. So anything else? Okay, so thanks all for joining. We'll meet again on Monday. So happy weekend. So Leelavati, as I mentioned in our previous sessions, so you don't need to